got you. I got a spot, apartment, a room, a house, whatever you need, I got you.
I will not live here, but
Well, where would you live then?
anywhere but here.
We ain't judging out there, man. You gotta start somewhere. You know what they call it, mailbox money? You wanna see how much money I'm getting? Let me show y'all. See that right there?
50 cents?
A whole whopping 50 cents, bro.
Diamonds and Marcella, AP stereo. She deserve a paddock cause she's one of the members. When it comes to double money, not a problem. Turn me to a killer, I just smashed the model. Yeah, Tiffany come through, her pussy good and pink. Pink Chicago in the wintertime, I'm ordering minks. Selling out arenas, I just work the streets. Copping a brand new castle in the Middle East.
I will not live here, but some people want to live here.
Where would you live then?
Anywhere but here.
Pull up, I got you. I got a spot, apartment, a room, a house, whatever you need, I got you. Checks I get. You know what they call it, mailbox money? You wanna see how much money I'm getting? See that right there?
50 cents?
A whole whopping 50 cents, bro. Buy property, passive income, they said. 50 cents. It's the first house I ever bought. Got a special place in my heart. You don't forget your first time.
You're right.
We rent this out of our room, so if y'all didn't know, the government, they'll pay for rooms, right? I don't know about anywhere else, but in New York, they'll pay you $800 to like $1,100, depending on the size of the room.
Per room?
Per room. So if you got a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom spot, you can get like $4,000 pretty easily. The rooms is like a good play if you got a setup for it. So that's what we focus on right now. We got 3 bedrooms in here and 2 baths. And yeah, we just want to make sure that we got it spot on. I got somebody coming in like 15 minutes to check out the room.
Is the whole thing place vacant?
Nah, we got one person in. They're supposed to move out. So we got this room right here. Decent size, you know what I'm saying? Like a nice little queen size bed. I gotta touch it up though, you know, like paint, closet door, you know, make it look nice, sweep it up. But I mean, it's essentially just a room. Like, it's a spot. Yo, if somebody wanna save up money to buy a house, get a home apartment,
Then get your ass in the room.
the room is usually the start, you feel me? Now this is a big room. You know what I mean? This is a master bedroom. Got some light work to do in here. Space is pretty dope. Like, I mean, like a big bed. Last person had like a couch in here. They moved out. This is a really good tenant. Besides like one thing that they kind of annoyed me on, this is a really good tenant. And with this room, you have your own private bathroom, which is dope. So like, in the shared space, really dope. Does it smell like weed? In a shared space, right? Like, I think one of the biggest things is probably because you gotta share the bathroom. But with this case, in this room, you got your own bathroom, you feel me? So it's like...
Stay in the shower?
One less thing to worry about. Yeah, you got to stay in the shower, bro. Plan on renting out this room. I think the condition is pretty decent. And listen, when it's not rented out, you're losing bread. So right now, I've been losing bread for the last couple months.
Got the hat because you got a Doberman?
Say what?
You got the hat because you got a Doberman?
Listen, let's check out the piece right here, baby. Look, you know what I'm saying? You gotta represent, you gotta let them know when you ain't got the dog with you that you still got the dog in you, you feel me? Yeah, and then, you know, after this we pull up to the Airbnb so that we could get that one situated because you got guests coming. You gotta like, you know, clean the place up. So, you know, important people, you got your attorney, your tax accountant, your real estate agent, of course. But you need a cleaner if you want to run this Airbnb. It's important, so yeah. And this is my job. My job is to show people places, sell them. Actually, I don't have to sell them. Housing is so little in New York that people need rooms. In Brooklyn, I actually just saw a room the other day, and they wanted, I saw a space actually, and the price said $1967. So I called them and say, hey, I want to view the apartment. I got a client that's interested. And they said, it's not an apartment, it's a room. I said, what's a room? They said, like, the one you have listed for $1967? Yeah, that's a room. almost $2,000 to rent a room. And it doesn't have the bathroom. People gotta be clean. One thing I don't want to see, I don't want to see no roaches. I don't want to see no mice. And I'm not even living here, but still.
It's already summer.
It's already summer.
It's already summer, man.
Listen, it's what is it? It's 44 degrees in New York.
That's hot already.
44 degrees in New York. Listen, that's summertime out here. That's open jacket show your fit season in New York. So we might as well just enjoy the weather. It don't matter what month it is. As long as the weather says it's lit, it's lit. Alright, she said she's gonna be here in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
It's a bad sign already because you're late. You're supposed to be here earlier. You're already 15 minutes late. You're gonna be here another 15 minutes. I don't know. We ain't kicking off the right way.
We got like 15 minutes? It only takes 15 minutes to win. Bro, you're not catching up, bro. Survivor, this is not a promotional ad, but you know, Survivor.io. Holla at me. Somebody?
Nah, there's some kids across the street. This is kind of crazy. Wasted our time coming over here, pretty much. See, now when you hit them up, they're gonna talk about what 3:30 p.m. work. Bro, how we go from 1 o'clock to 3:30? I gotta get cleaning supplies. Target.
It's gonna be faster line anyway.
Self-checkout. Yo, so my words of advice. Anyone trying to do real estate, trying to buy property, any of that shit, just start with what you can manage. Don't go too crazy thinking that you can get the biggest building, scale all the way up, and then try to get the most money. Because if it's left empty, yeah, you could have made all that money, but that means you're gonna lose all that money as well. So I learned the hard way by scaling way too quickly. What was I? I was doing like 1 unit every year. Yeah,
something like that.
Something like 1 unit every year. And then when COVID hit, bruh, the amount of money I lost when COVID hit, everything stopped. So just focus on what you can manage, because otherwise put yourself in a bad position. So, and just like that, nobody showed up, no appointments, which is normal, happens all the time. But we got bigger stuff to do. We got bigger places to worry about. So we out. She said, I'm here. I'm at the door. Hello, I will wait 10 minutes. You look crazy, bro. Lost your mind. How you show up 2 o'clock to a 12 o'clock appointment, bro? I don't like scotch, to be honest with you.
You don't like scotch? What do you use?
Charmin. Scotch feel like sandpaper sometimes, bro. You need something
Charmin
soft.
clogs your toilet.
Something soft.
Scotch is soft. Enough.
What we need, we get our list out. Sometimes you just need a little
This is
snack.
what you needed for the
Bro, sometimes you just need
for
a
the
little snack,
for the Airbnb.
bro.
This is what's needed for the Airbnb.
Wow, I'll tell you what we don't need. We don't need judgmental people.
How much?
How much?
How much?
It's on sale for $113.
Nah, bro, the toilet wasn't cheap, bro.
Alright, where's the mattress topper at? You be thinking about buying the property and then renting it out. You don't think about all this extra shit you got paid for, bro. Like, you got paid for mad extra.
You don't even do this for your own credit.
I don't. Oh, here we go.
How much is that?
This one's 50.
50?
I need a queen though. We out, we got it. The beds I bought, they had good reviews, but they're not the most comfortable. So, instead of buying a new bed, just buy a mattress topper. And so forth. If it don't work, it's Target. You can bring it back. How much is this gonna come up to?
2.
Guess again, 200?
2 to 250. 250.
Nah, you off, bro. This shit is $1 already right now.
That sounds right.
The vacuum is $1.
150?
The whole thing?
How much is the vacuum?
The vacuum is $113.
Wow.
Then we got these.
300 then.
Probably about
Maybe
300.
probably 350.
You know what's gonna take me over the top though? The blue raspberry sour strips. Cause that was unnecessary. You see what I just spent?
What about you?
One card, $430, bro, and 65 cents on one card. Bruh, get my vacuum.
Yeah, bro.
Hopefully I don't gotta buy no toilet paper, no toilet tissue for at least a couple bookings.
One white policy.
Supplies is expensive, bro. Supplies is expensive.
Spending money to make money not sounding passive, bro.
I'm not sounding what passive?
It's not sounding passive to me, bro.
I'm gonna tell you what, right
I'm
now.
trying to make money in my sleep.
I'll tell you what right now, this shit is not passive. They lied. They told you it was passive, and that shit was big cap. Ain't nothing passive about real estate.
I can't feel my legs. I done sniped off your hoe for a crumb of bread. Hoe got rats going out the roof, they bustin' through the ceiling. My new bitch, she the truth, showed me a couple million.
I'm coming.
Burger was mid. Drink was mid. The fries was good. Everything else, mid. And what's crazy, when you think about it, it's really fast food because you pay beforehand, you feel me? Like, they ain't no like waiters or waitresses coming to serve you.
Nigga, nobody tell you to tip, bro.
I shouldn't have tipped.
Nope. What?
Listen, tipping culture has gotten out of control. Tipping culture right now doesn't make any sense. Yo, they got kiosks in the airport right now where you go to order something from a fucking robot. A robot. Mm-hmm. You go to order it, and when you order it, it asks you to tip. A kiosk robot. How does that work?
You tipping the robot getting that extra pension?
That don't make no sense to me. Like, how did the robot go above and beyond? The crazy part would be if the tip doesn't even go to the workers. All that to say, that restaurant, in my opinion, matter of fact, in my fact, was mid at best. Overall, successful day, you feel me? You know, didn't get to show the room to anybody because they didn't show up. But, you know, got the Airbnb clean. The guests is coming. When is they coming? They coming next week. So, got some new supplies. I bought a vacuum. Spent how much I spent in Target? $450, something like that. $430. So, but now I don't really gotta spend like that. I think I got all the products I need. Besides the little basics that gotta be replenished, like the paper towels. So overall, good day. Airbnb is clean. We ready for the next guest. Time to start making us money. You know what I'm saying? Short-term rentals. And we live. We live.
We out of here.
We out of here, bro.